Hello and welcome to AI for All. Ever wondered how Netflix knows what shows you love or how your phone unlocks with just a look? That's artificial intelligence, AI, at work. Today, we'll explore AI and machine learning, ML, in simple terms, no complicated tech talk. Think of artificial intelligence, or AI in short, as systems designed to perform tasks that typically require human intelligence. Unlike how children learn, AI systems are built on specific algorithms and models. They can handle complex tasks like understanding speech, recognizing images, or making predictions. But they don't truly learn like humans do. Traditional software follows explicit, pre-programmed rules and logic paths. AI-powered software uses statistical models to find patterns in data and make predictions, allowing it to handle variations and uncertainty better than traditional software. AI is already part of many daily technologies. Voice assistants using natural language processing to understand commands. Recommendation systems suggesting content on streaming platforms. Computer vision in smartphone cameras enhancing photos automatically. Predictive text helping you complete sentences while typing. ML is a subset of AI that focuses on creating systems that can improve their performance on specific tasks through experience with data. Instead of following fixed rules, ML models identify patterns in training data to make predictions or decisions about new, unseen data. Here's how an ML image recognition system works. The model processes thousands of labeled images during training. It learns to identify features like shapes, edges, and patterns. Using these learned features, it can classify new images it hasn't seen before. AI and ML are transforming various fields. Healthcare, assisting in medical image analysis and drug discovery. Climate science, modeling climate patterns and optimizing energy use. Cybersecurity, detecting and preventing digital threats. Education, personalizing learning experiences. Important challenges include data privacy, protecting personal information while training AI systems. Algorithmic bias, ensuring fair and equitable outcomes across different groups. Environmental impact, addressing the energy consumption of large AI models. Transparency, understanding how AI makes decisions. That's our introduction to AI and ML. Understanding these technologies helps us use them responsibly and prepare for their growing impact on society. If you found this helpful, subscribe for more tech explanations that keep things simple and practical. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe, like, and comment.